Hello! So, medyo nagsimula na ako ng very light. Nagluto ako ng nilagang baboy. Nilagang buto-buto. Laki nga eh. Bawas na. Diba? Ayan. So, today, pag-usapan natin ang yung SIM card registration. O, diba? So, good news itong SIM card registration na to, especially dun sa mga iwas dun sa mga scammers, sa mga fraud, 'di ba? So parang kagaya sa Australia, lahat ng SIM cards doon prepaid or postpaid. Postpaid syempre, pero yung prepaid before the number is activated, kailangan muna nila ma-validate yung identity, 'di ba? Valid IDs and all that. So, ano bang meron dito sa sagutin natin yung mga dapat nating good to know. Okay? Know-how dito sa pag-activate ng SIM. Ano yung mga kailangan na information para ma-activate? Kasi yung mga lahat to ng SIM card before mo magamit siya, kailangan mong ma-register. And then yung mga na-issue na existing na prepaid users at yung mga binibenta na mga prepaid SIM card, they will all be in the deactivated state until ma-register mo sila para magamit sila. So, ano yung mga information na kailangan? Search natin. Full name, date of birth, sex, address, government ID with photo, o diba? Safe na safe. Declaration that the ID presented are true and correct. For corporations, the requirements are SEC certificate of registration, board resolution designating the authorized representative, and in the case of other entities, a special power of attorney. Diba? Ano talaga siya? Hindi siya basta na lang na makapag-provide ka ng full name and date of birth. So, tapos hindi basta lang na na ID, diba? Government ID with photo. Dapat may signature din, what kind of IDs ang acceptable? Search natin. Passport, national ID, Social Security, yung SSS ID, Government Service Insurance, GSIS card, driver's license, and NBI clearance, syempre yung valid, no? Police clearance, firearms license, license to own and possess, PRC ID, Integrated Bar of the Philippines ID, Overseas Workers Welfare Administration ID, BIR ID, Voters ID, Senior Citizens Card, UMID, Person with Disabilities Card, at saka other government issued na ID with photo. Mapapansin nyo parang wala ditong PhilHealth, no? Wala ditong PhilHealth. What is Globe's position on the SIM registration act? Globe kasi ako. So, syempre, hindi ko na kailangan. Paano pag postpaid siguro hindi na kailangan, no? As required by law, Globe will establish an online registration platform or website which will enable end users to register their SIMs, and further information in the registration process shall be made available as soon as the registration facility is available. Okay. Ano pang mga FAQs dito? What if I don't have internet access? Where will I register? True. The IRR will prescribe the guidelines on how concerned government agencies and public telecommunications entities will facilitate registration in remote areas with limited access. So, ano siya, to follow, di ba? Further advice kung paano i-register yung mga walang internet access. What is the SIM registration process for children below legal age and do not have government ID? True. Dami na ngayon estudyante kasi, di ba, yung mga chikiting natin kung may kanya-kanya ng gadget. Paano nga naman? Minors shall register their SIMs under the consenting parent or legal guardian. I-register pa din. Ito yung tanong ko kanina. I'm a postpaid subscriber. Do I still have to register my SIM when my data is already with my PTE? Existing postpaid subscribers will have to provide the other mandatory information required under the law that were not provided upon postpaid subscription in order to align data of postpaid subscribers in the SIM register in compliance with the law. Okay. Register pa din pala. I'm a verified GCash user. Do I still have to register my Globe SIM? Yeah, SIM registration must be done separately. Oo naman. Kinalaman nung si GCash. What happens if kasi yung GCash, ano na yun eh. Yung verification niya, di ba, may mga ID na rin yun. What happens if I fail to register my SIM within the mandated time? The SIM will be deactivated. If my SIM gets deactivated for failure to register, may I get the same number upon SIM repurchase? No, customers will fail to register their SIMs. The customers who will fail to register their SIM cards will not retain their same number. This is why prepaid SIM users must register within the mandated time. Paano pag postpaid ako tapos nakalimutan kong mag-subscribe? Will subscriber data remain confidential? Yes. The law contains explicit provisions ensuring the confidentiality of the data of SIM users. Section 9 of the law is a confidentiality clause that states any information and data obtained in the registration process described under this act shall be treated as absolutely confidential and shall not be disclosed to any person. This protective clause takes effect upon activation of a given SIM. The law also penalizes breach of this confidentiality clause. User information may only be released if a subscriber authorizes access to their information. Telecommunications firms may only be compelled to reveal subscriber data via court order. End user data will be retained by PTEs for 10 years. So, confidential pa rin naman. Kapag kayo nga may mga fraud at saka mga mga scammers and all. So, yun yung purposes noon. Hindi kasi natitrace at the moment, hindi natitrace yan. So, kahit mag-file tayo ng complaint, kahit mag-file tayo ng case, nonsense kasi hindi natitrace yung mga prepaid. Papalit-palit lang sila, di ba? What will I do if I lose my phone or device with my registered SIM? End users who lose their respective devices with registered SIMs must inform their respective PTEs. We will announce Globe's procedure for reporting once the IRR has been approved. Okay. What are the other instances when end users must inform their service providers on the status of the registered SIMs? SIM users must inform their PDs in case of the following: any change in information relevant to personal details submitted in registration. So, nag-asawa ka na, char. End user requests the activation of a registered SIM or death of a SIM end user must be reported by immediate family. Ito, can subscribers use more than one SIM once the law takes effect? Yes, subscribers may use multiple SIMs but will be required to register all SIMs under their name. Walang maximum siya. Is there a penalty for non-compliance? Yes, the law prescribes penalties for both individuals and telcos. Individuals who provide false information for fake IDs, spoofs a registered SIM, or sells a stolen SIM may face prison time of 6 months to 2 years and a 300,000 fine. Meanwhile, telcos that refuse to register SIMs for no valid reason may be fined from 100,000 to 1 million pesos, depending on the number of offenses. Telcos, their agents, or employees who breach data confidentiality may also face fines of 500,000 to 4 million pesos. Ayan, di ba? So, yan yung mga FAQs natin sa SIM registration. Excited ba kayo? Excited ako siya. Gusto ko yan. Di ba? Isa yan sa mga best na nabalita ako from the government this year. So, I like it, in fairness. Kailan ba siya? Hindi ko pala nakita. Parang, December 27. Yun ang alam ko. Tignan nga natin. Tama. It will take effect on December 27. Yan. Kaya mag-ready na kayo, di ba? So, ensure nyo na ma-register nyo na yung mga SIM cards ninyo. Hindi ko pala na-check kung may bayad ba ang registration. Ano natin? SIM card registration fee. As the public asked more questions about the new law, the SIM Registration Act stated that end users do not have to pay an additional fee when registering their SIM card. So walang bayad. So ano pa? Ano pang question nyo? Tanong nyo lang, comment mo, ang question mo, and then hanapan natin ang sagot. So tapos na akong kumain. Buto na lang yung natira. Thank you!